Good morning and welcome back to the Lucky Labo YouTube channel. Today is an exciting day because it's the last day that we have with the S13 before it goes to paint. Let's go over what we did to this car and where we started. It's a new year, 2021, so I thought we'd introduce a new shop project, our 1993 240SX. This is a 1993 240SX USDM base model, factory manual, slick top, 4-lug, crank window. We have a SR20 S13 red top. It needs a lot of work, but I think it's a very good base. Really excited. There's a huge oil leak somewhere, and I suspect that it's coming from this here. Fuck, what's the name of that thing? Part of it we believe is coming from the timing chain tensioner gasket. So we have a new gasket for that.
Something here in just the wiring to the ECU. And this like little bundle here. That could have been for the Mega Squirt.
Yeah. So now what's left to do is pull the engine. Okay, the engine is out. Mark has done a great job helping us. If you come over and take a look at this engine bay, one of the reasons that we did take this out is that it is just grimy in here. So we have an oil leak, several I believe, that is just really causing some issues in this engine bay. So here we have the Nismo power brace, Nismo tension rod, Nismo transverse arms, whatever they call it. D-Max Super Street coilovers, rear traction arms, and then the rear upper control arms. All of this will be going on to the S13. This is what we're up against. It is very crusty back here, completely crusted out. We're gonna get this all apart and then put in the new components. This is to show just how grimy it is with the current oil leak situation. There it is. So exhaust manifolds off, intake manifolds off. No broken bolts, no drama. It's what we like to see. So now let's get into some cleaning and then prep it for paint. but I just want to see how it's going to fit and how it's going to look. So here we have our brand new HKS GT3 RS Turbo. So this is the 60 AR housing, specifically made for the SR20. This thing is beautiful. So I spent quite a while cleaning up the engine. I didn't film it because it was just so much in-depth work that I didn't have time to set up the camera. But let me show you how it came out so far. Much, much cleaner than it was before. I've done about 2 passes, 2 coats over everything. I think it looks really good, and we're gonna call it a day here and then take off the masking. So don't worry about the lower oil pan and the upper oil pan. We are going to replace those gaskets. Also, you're looking at the valve cover gaskets. I oversprayed that. That's gonna be changed as well. Changing that out for this polished valve cover from Surreal Customs. All right, and we're done with the engine painting. Came out quite good. I also organized the garage somewhat. These are all the parts for the S13. Clutch, cams, oil pan, gaskets, turbo, manifold, intake box, radiator, garbage. So we got to this point. It took a while. We disassembled pretty much everything that is functional. So we redid the suspension with new coilovers from D-Max. All the front arms are Nismo. Don't mind the wiring harness here. I also undercoated the wheel wells. I'm hoping to find some factory mud guards. That would be nice. I know that's practically impossible. As we go to the rear, did the same thing, undercoated, new D-Max arms, new hardware. The dust shield was completely, on both sides, completely rusted. So we got new S14 dust shields. We're retaining the stock forelug and stock calipers. Just upgraded the pads and rotors for now. Wheels on, engine bay stripped. Mark's got the trailer down there. Looking good. We managed to get the car in the trailer. Now we're gonna drive it over to the paint shop, talk to Jose over there. He's gonna get us hooked up, and we'll catch you at the paint shop. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. Okay, we brought the car in. Jose over here, he's gonna help us get sorted out and get it painted. I'm really excited. So here it is. This is the before. The paint's not too bad. The engine bay is the real issue here. So this is my buddy Sasha. This is his shop. Let's hear a little bit about his brand Yankee, which he just launched.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sasha. I go by Tiger Sasha. I'm a street artist out of Northwest Arkansas. I've got a YouTube channel under the same moniker, and I'm a huge JDM fan, and I launched Yankee Special last year. Been working on this since about 2018, 2019, and yeah, we just started releasing some clothes and some other random little things, and it's been super fun. So check it out, support Lucky Labo, support Yankee, support Tiger Sasha. Like, comment, subscribe, do that smash button like thing. Yeah.
All right, we have to see the office. Let's check it out. Ooh. That's what I like to see right
Had
there.
to get the Labo, had to get the Bomb X, had
Yeah.
to support JDM Ego, had to support Top Suicide.
Shout out.
Yeah, even left in the Top Suicide shirt.
Awesome. So today we're out here at my friend Sasha's shop. We have an S chassis meet. We have a few non-S chassis here, but I thought it'd be interesting to show Arkansas car culture. We have a lot of JDM cars and we have a lot of cool stuff. So let me just give you a little walk around. This is Jacob's car. It's a V8 S14, full tube front, pretty gnarly. This is a R32 GTST sedan. Jerry, he's got a Mustang drift car. He just picked this up. It was Z31 with some cool, rare HKS parts, digital dash, everything functions really great. Mark's car, S13 with a NACA. We have a Y31 SEMA. Cool S13 coupe. I think this has a CA turbo. S14. We have a Subaru hiding over here. Woody wagon. It's a Datsun 510. Pretty dope. And then my car, obviously. So I'm gonna end the video here. The S13 is off to paint. Next week we're working on the SR20. We're gonna do cams, new oil pump. I'm gonna get that all sorted out so that when the car comes back from paint, we're ready to throw the engine in and get that all set up. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.